You don't have a money problem, you have a visibility problem, and that's actually good news. Here's what most people do. They feel broke. They stress about money. They avoid looking at their bank account. They tell themselves they'll figure it out later, but later never comes. The anxiety builds, and the cycle repeats. Here's the truth. You're not bad with money. You just can't see it clearly. You're making decisions in the dark, guessing, hoping, avoiding. Imagine driving with a foggy windshield. You'd feel anxious too, not because you're a bad driver, because you can't see the road. Money works the same way. You can't fix what you can't see. The Finance Reset Toolkit clears the fog. It puts your income, expenses, and future projections in one place. No guessing, no avoiding, just clarity. You see exactly where you stand. You see what happens if you cut a subscription. You see what happens if you get a raise. You see your runway, your savings rate, your trajectory. When you see the full picture, something shifts. The stress fades. The path appears. Decisions become obvious. You don't need more willpower. You don't need to earn more money. You need to see what's already there. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop guessing, stop avoiding, start seeing. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.